Hello my dear children, welcome to my channel Sudhir Sir Chemistry. But this is a second year chemistry P block element. We are going to discuss today for SAQ, short answers question for 4 marks. And question was written on the board. You can see better this question coming from P block element for 4 marks. It is also one of the important question, even they can ask you in the IP exam. Write a short note on the hydrates of a halogens. Means halogen, you know better, 17th group element called as a halogens. And they are asking to write the short notes for the hydrate of a halogen. But a very simple way I'll tell you how to write the hydrates of a halogen. Point wise you have to write down. But a first point, you know, any element means, let us say X is called as a halogen. When it combined with the hydrogen, but it will form the halide of the type HX. So X means this is a halogen, should be written as a 2 form, and here we'll write 2HX. So this is called as a what? We can say this is a halogen, it is a hydrogen, and halogen combined with the hydrogen to form, it's a hydride. Actually it is a hydrogen halide beta, but we can call it also as a hydride. So first point, what we can say, all the element of group 17 form the hydride of the type HX. By seeing this one, we can say the first point, all the elements of group 17th. Do you know group 17 means this is the halogens, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. But all the element of group 17 can form hydride of the type HX. Are you able to see better here? All the element of the group 17 can form the hydride of the type HX. This is the first point. Means they has a tendency to form the hydride of the type HX. This one HX. Sir, what is the HXCl? HX means what? Sir, it may be a H with a fluorine HF, it may be H with a Cl, then it may be a H with a Br, then it may be a H with a I. So first point say beta, all the element of group 17 can form hydride of the type HX, and this HX means we can write in this way, right? Or we can say beta, X is what? Nothing but the X is the halogen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and these are the hydride formed by the 17th group element. This is the first point we wrote. Point number 2 beta now. See here, all the element of group 17 combining with the hydrogen to form the hydride of the type HX. HX is the hydride form here. But X means it may be fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So based on that, HF, HCl, HBr, HI we wrote. But if fluorine you take here and iodine will take here, among the fluorine and iodine, which is more reactive towards hydrogen? Fluorine is more reactive towards the hydrogen than the iodine. So second point we can say beta, reactivity of halogen. Point number 2 we can say, reactivity of halogen towards hydrogen. See beta, reactivity of halogen towards hydrogen. Halogen means what? So this X may be, it may be a fluorine, beta, it may be a chlorine, it may be a bromine, it may be a iodine. So among all these halogen, which halogen is more reactive towards hydrogen? Is fluorine is more reactive towards hydrogen, but iodine is less reactive towards hydrogen. So point number 2, what we can say, but the reactivity of these halogen toward hydrogen decreases from fluorine to iodine. That is, which is more reactive beta? Fluorine is more reactive towards the hydrogen than the iodine. So reactivity of these halogen toward the hydrogen decreases. Point number 2, reactivity of halogen towards hydrogen decreases from fluorine to iodine. But till now we wrote first point. What is the first point we wrote beta? All the element of group 17 can form the hydride of the type HX. X is what? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Together what they can make beta? It can make HF, they can make HCl, they can make HBr, they can even make beta HI. Reactivity of these halogen toward hydrogen decreases from fluorine to iodine. This is a 2.1. Third point beta, just you can see here, HF, HCl, HBr, HI. I'll tell you beta, here these HCl, HBr, HI, they all are in the form of a gas but your HF, it is in the form of a liquid. By seeing this one, we can write the point number 3. What is the point number 3? Except HF, which is a liquid, but HF is a liquid, right, due to hydrogen bonding. Remaining all are the gases. So except HF, which is a liquid due to hydrogen bonding, due to hydrogen bonding, others are gases, right? You can mention here HF will exist in the form of a liquid, but remaining is that HCl, HBr, HI, they all are exist in the form of a gas. So HF is a liquid, HCl, HBr, HI is a gas. You can take out this from here, beta. Otherwise, you will get confusion. So how many points over, beta? 3 points. What is the 3 point? All the elements of group 17. Check it here, beta. All the elements of the group 17 can form the hydride of the type what? HX. Right? What is the HX? It may be HF, it may be HCl, it may be HBr, it may be HI. Point number 2, beta. Reactivity of halogen towards the hydrogen decreases. Means fluorine is more reactive and iodine is less reactive. The reactivity of halogen towards the hydrogen decreases from fluorine to iodine. Point number 3. HF is a liquid due to hydrogen bonding, but others like HCl, HBr, HI are the gases. So except HF, which is a liquid due to hydrogen bonding, others are the gases. So we have to mention here. Till now how many, beta? 3 point over. Right? Point number, beta, now 3 point over. Now the remaining point number 4, 5, 6, it is based on the thermal stability, reducing character and acidic nature. I will show you on other part. You can take a screenshot of these 3 points. Please take a screenshot, beta. Very good. Point number 3 over. Now point number 4, 5, 6 I will show you. Point number 4 based on the thermal stability. Point number 5, beta, based on the reducing character. And point number 6, based on the acidic nature. Means what to say here? Means we can tell, beta, the compound which is thermally more stable has a less reducing character, and the compound which is a less reducing character has a less acidic in nature. See, beta, point number 4, 5, 6. Easily I will make you to understand. No need to buy it. Everything is conceptual. Point number 4, 5 and 6. Everything is conceptual. I will make you to understand point number 4, 5 and 6. Listen to me. Before going to discuss point number 4, 5, 6, I want to tell you this part. But a thermal stability is inversely proportional to reducing character. Inversely proportional to what, beta? Reducing character. Sir, reducing character is directly proportional to, but reducing character is directly proportional to what? Acidic nature. Directly proportional to what, beta? Acidic nature. You are unable to see it right here. Directly proportional to acidic nature. See, beta, these are the two concepts. Will make you to write the point number 4, 5 and 6. What is that? See here. Point number 4, beta. Thermal stability decreases down the group. Thermal stability decreases down the group. What is that? HF, HCl, HBr and HI. This is the order of thermal stability. But if you want to write the reason, you can mention there only. Thermal stability decreases down the group due to decrease in bond dissociation energy. Due to decrease in bond dissociation energy. But as the bond dissociation energy decreases, thermal stability also decreases. So thermal stability decreases when reducing character increases na beta. Point number 5, reducing character, beta, it is a thermal stability of what? Hydride na. So reducing character of the hydride. Reducing character now what will happen? Thermal stability decreases means reducing character should what beta? Increase. Reducing character increases from HF to HI. But it is decreases from down the group instead of that. Decreases from HF to HI. Now it is increases from HF to HI. How it is increases means HF, then HCl, then HBr, then HI, and beta, it is the order of what you know? Sir, it is the order of reducing character. It is the order of reducing character. Now beta, reducing character increases means obviously acidic nature should increase. Very good. Point number 6. Sir, acidic nature of these hydride increases from HF to HI. Yes, acidic nature increases from HF to HI, but the reason is same, due to decrease in bond dissociation energy. HF to HI due to decrease in bond dissociation energy. But acidic nature increases with us, right? HF, HCl, HBr, and then HI. HI is more acidic in nature than that of HF. So these are the how many points we wrote, beta? 6 points, and these are the 6 points is sufficient for scoring our 4 marks. We'll revise it once again, beta. It is a very simple to revise. First point, they are asking to write a short note on the hydride of hydrogen. All the element of group 17 can form the hydride of the type HX. We wrote there. But HX we mention here, HCl, HBr, HF, HCl, HBr, HI. Point number 2 we can say, but elements means the reactivity of halogen now. Point number 2, reactivity of halogen decreases means reactivity of halogen towards hydrogen. We wrote now beta, X2 plus H2. So reactivity of halogen towards hydrogen decreases from fluorine to iodine. That means fluorine is more reactive and iodine is less reactive. Point number 3 we can say, except HF, because HF is a liquid, remaining all are the gases. Except HF, which is a liquid, due to hydrogen bonding, remaining are hydrides, others are the gases. 3 point over. Come for the point number 4, 5, 6. Point number 4, thermal stability. Point number 5, beta, reducing character. Point number 6, acidic nature. How the thermal stability and reducing character are related? Inversely proportional. Thermal stability are inversely proportional to reducing character. But reducing character is directly proportional to what? Acidic nature. So what to say beta? Thermal stability decreases from HF to HI. We wrote now beta. Thermal stability decreases from HF to HI due to decrease in bond dissociation energy. That means HF is thermally more stable than HI. So decreasing order we have to mention. But if the thermal stability decreases, then reducing character should what? Increase. Your reducing character should be increased. So reducing character increases from HF to HI. HF, HCl, HBr, HI. HI is having the more reducing character. But acidic nature increases from HF to HI. Your acidic nature again it will be increases from where beta? HF to HI due to decrease in the bond dissociation energy. Means HF, HCl, HBr, HI. HI is more acidic and HF is less acidic. Right beta? Please take a screenshot. Very good beta. So did you understand? This is the one question for 4 months we prepared from the P block. Thank you beta. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.